Hello, welcome back. In this segment, I will explain the difference between the arithmetic right shift and the logical right shift. I have constructed a small program. Right of I means it will perform right shift by one position, taking an into X as an input. And right U means performs an right shift by one position using an unsigned int as an input. Okay. I stands for int and U stands for unsigned int. Let's compile and see what's the difference between these two functions at the assembly level. Let's compile. Since I don't have a main, I have to put a -c. Okay. Now we will load it into GDB and disable our right underscore I first. Okay, you see here there is a SAR. SAR means shift arithmetic right, because right underscore I function is doing a right shift of integer x. Okay. On the other hand, if I do right underscore u, you would see SHR. That means logical right shift. Right underscore u is using unsigned x. All right, that's basically it. SHR means logical right shift, and ASAR means arithmetic right shift. And the SHR is used if the input is a unsigned type. If the input is a signed type, then SAR is used for right shift. Okay, that's all. Thank you.